Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Eid Mubarak to everyone. Today I will be sharing our routine from morning till evening and how we celebrated our Eid in Canada. This mehendi I applied all by myself. The color was little less, but it's okay, more than enough for me. After very long time I tried to apply, not bad, it was good. Always Eid means early morning we will prepare sheer khorma. That is what I also did. Sheer khorma I prepared, and for breakfast we made aloo puri keema. All this thing, usually this is the breakfast for us on the Eid day, which I prepared previous day night itself. I prepared all that aloo and keema. Today I will just add few clips how I prepared. That's it. Today most of them I will not give any recipe today. Just you keep watching. If you want the recipes, any of these recipes you want, leave a comment. I will definitely share in the next video. For sheer khurma, you will see I am not adding any sugar. Fully I just added one full can of condensed milk. That's how I made. It's a simple recipe which I have shared all Eids. I will be sharing this recipe. You can check. Always sheer khurma means whole lot of nuts, and it should be little liquidy. Don't make it too thick also. On Eid day, it's a tradition that you break your fast with dates and this sheer khurma. That is something sweet, especially first dates and then sheer khurma, and then we will go to the mosque for our Eid prayer. Now we have reached our mosque. This is our local mosque, which is the nearest for our locality. It's a very big mosque and very nice mixed community over here. All Middle Eastern, Indian, Pakistani, Bangladeshi, all different kind of population you can see over there. For the Eid prayer, we had two Jamaat, one at 7:30 to 8 and the other was 9 to 9:30. We attended 9 to 9:30. After the prayer, that is Eid prayer, all friends and relatives, everybody will be having Eid Milan outside and little fun time. For kids, you can see bouncy castles, and they also got free goodie bags from the mosque itself. Always at the time of Eid, it's a tradition to give Eid to all kids. That's what is going on over here right now. It is felicitating the kids for keeping all 30 rosas and nice good prayers, extra prayers all night long. It's an encouragement for kids. After this tradition of sharing Eid and giving hugs to the kids, we had breakfast time. Breakfast, I already told you what was in our house. It is aloo, our house kids favorite, so definitely I make this. Along with that, I also prepared keema. Keema is also a must for our puris, and puri I just bought store-bought frozen puris and fried it at the neck time. That's it. After breakfast time is over, immediately I started preparing biryani. Today we are celebrating Eid with friends. all 4 families together we are preparing. The family who is going to host will prepare biryani. That's how it works over here. So we are going to host the party today. So I chose to make mutton biryani, and along by the side I just prepared little bit of salad, little bit of raita, and all time favorite for biryani I will be preparing even khatta bangan. All the recipes, if you want, you leave a comment, I will share definitely in detail. This biryani was a very outstanding taste. Everybody were asking for the recipe. Very tasty. Today I prepared little different masala. If you wish to see, sure, leave a comment, then only I will share. Otherwise now I won't be sharing this recipe. Also for this biryani I prepared khatta bangan. That is also very tasty recipe. Even the khatta bangan which was remaining, everybody took along with them. When in the evening we were packing all the remaining food. Both this khatta bangan and biryani are outstanding recipes and very tasty. I got very loads of compliments today. Definitely, if you want to see, you have to leave a comment, then only I will be sharing it. For me, preparing biryani this way is very easy. Today, to keep myself very light and easy, I prepared everything in using through aluminum foil, so that after the party is over we will not have any work of washing the vessels and all. That's why I have prepared it this way. Just to keep the table little bit full, I added this gola kebab also on the table. I had it frozen in my freezer. I just fried few peppers, onions and gave little bit of seasoning, and this also was one of the dish on the table. By the time I finished, everything was 2 o'clock, and this khatta bangan I prepared previous day itself. Always whenever you know you have a party or any Eid or any Bakrid, you prepare this ahead of time. This recipe is also very awesome recipe. I will share it later on. But always khatta bangan you can prepare previous day itself and keep. Then only the taste will be double. When you prepare on the same day, right, the taste is not that good like how it will be when you prepare it previous day. Lot of secret ingredients are there in this recipe also. If you want, I will share it later on, but today just you can see the making. By the time all the friends came, it was 3 o'clock, and at 3 o'clock all came with their own dishes. Our house dish was biryani. Now only I am just checking before I could serve it on the table. Just give it a flip flap from down and top. It will be very beautiful like this if you keep the biryani layered with different shades. You can see from the bottom dark, in between white also will be there, little bit of orange. Awesome biryani. One of the friend bought butter chicken and naan, and the other friend bought chicken masala and naan, and one more friend bought chicken tandoori and sweet treat. We had 2 to 3 sweets today. That is, one is mango tiramisu and one is pista cake and the other is sheer khurma. It was a nice large gathering. We had really awesome Eid today. Lot of kids too, and we all ladies had nice chit chat while having food as well. Our Eid was super awesome this year. Whenever you have nice lot of friends together, gather like this, especially when you are far away from your close relatives, this kind of friends gathering together makes much big difference. Definitely, if you get a chance, celebrate your Eid this way with family or either with friends. Next week also we have Eid Milan party also in our friends group. Even if I happen to take some clips to share with you, I will definitely share that. Before that, if you want to see the recipes what I prepared today, sure leave a comment, then only I will be sharing the recipe. This biryani, again and again I will tell, very tasty, super soft mutton and very flavorful biryani. All the dishes were excellent. Even the tandoori was well done. and even the butter chicken was tasted awesome, and our chicken curry was also very tasty and creamy. Had a hearty lunch on Eid day with friends and family. Hope you all enjoyed our Eid celebration. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome video. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.